Welcome to Kitty Learning Academy, a YouTube channel for kids' education and learning.
It's chore time. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. What do I do?
First, clean your messy room.
Okay, I'll clean it right now.
Don't forget to make your bed.
I'll fix the bed nicely.
And pick up all your toys.
All of them? There are so many.
Yes, every toy. Put them away.
I'll put them in the box.
Great. Now fold your clothes.
I like folding clothes. It's easy.
Make sure they are folded neatly.
Look, folded perfectly like new.
Awesome. What's next for you?
What else should I do, Mom?
Next, sweep the living room floor.
Where's the broom? I'll get started.
It's in the closet near the kitchen.
Found it. I'm sweeping the floor now.
Don't forget under the sofa too.
Under the sofa? I'll do that.
You're doing a great job sweeping.
Thanks. Sweeping is kind of fun.
After that, dust the furniture, okay?
How do I dust again?
Take a cloth and wipe gently.
I'll start with the table.
Good. Then wipe the chairs too.
I'm dusting the chairs really well.
Don't forget the TV stand.
I'll dust it now. Looks shiny.
You're so helpful today.
I like helping you, Mom.
Now let's take out the trash.
Where's the trash bag?
It's in the kitchen. Take it outside.
I'll take it out right now.
Be careful. Tie it tightly first.
All tied up. I'm ready to go.
Great. Now water the plants.
Do I water all the plants?
Yes, start with the ones outside.
I'll give them just a little water.
Good. Don't drown them, okay?
I'll be careful. I promise.
After that, water the indoor plants.
Okay. I'll do that next.
You're a big help today, son.
Thanks, Mom. What's next?
Can you fold some towels?
I'm really good at folding towels.
I know. That's why I asked you.
Here are the towels, all folded.
Wow. So neat and perfect.
I like doing laundry stuff.
You're so helpful. Almost done.
What's left? I'm ready for more.
Can you help set the table?
Of course. I'll grab the plates.
Place one plate for each of us.
Plates are ready. Now what?
Add the forks and knives, please.
Done! Should I add spoons too?
Yes, and put the napkins as well.
I'm good at setting the table.
The table looks wonderful now.
Thanks. What else can I do?
Wipe the counters in the kitchen.
I'll wipe them clean and shiny.
Here's a cloth. Wipe them carefully.
I'll make them sparkle. Just watch.
Wow, look at that shine.
I told you. I'm a pro at this.
You sure are. One last chore.
What is it, Mom?
Feed the pets, please.
I love feeding them. Where's their food?
It's in the cupboard. Don't overfeed them.
I'll give just enough food. And water?
Yes, give them fresh water too.
The pets are all happy now.
Great. You did amazing today.
Thanks, Mom. I love helping you.
Thanks for watching this video of Kitty Learning Academy. If you like this video, please press like button and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.